adjusting portrait envelopes. So, we have a product called Portrait Envelope with Print. Ito yung itsura niya. And nagpiprint tayo, however, hindi pantay both sides. This one and this one. So, para maging pantay, kailangan mong i-open itong layout sa Canva. And kailangan mo siyang iusog, right? Iusog pa kanan. Pero to do so, you need to zoom everything. You need to zoom. Nakita mo yon? Ayan o. Ito. May black. Kasi may layout dyan. Tinakpan lang natin. Ngayon, takpan natin. Kailangan takip maigi, hindi pwedeng may konting black doon. So, again, lalakihan siya and i-move mo siya pa kanan, konting kanan. Nakalock siya eh. Oh. See, kaya hindi mo siya ma-move kasi nakalock. Unlock mo siya. Ayan. Para lahat, i-move mo siya. Zoom in, konting kanan. Right, no.
Mami, pwede to?
Naka-lock. There. Naka-lock ulit. Naka-lock ulit. Naka-lock ulit. Tatanggalin mo lang yung lock. Okay, hindi pwedeng may naka-lock. So, there. Send to back. Kasi the goal here is to mapakapal natin yung lines. Kasi nga manipis masyado yung lines. Ayan. So, na-move ko na siya ng konti. Should be alright kapag ka nag-test print na si Ate Abby. So, you have to download it. Kasi before mo siya i-print, right, kailangan mo siyang ma-download. This is page 2. So, current page. Print. Flatten. It should be CMYK for printing. And then download. Okay? That's what you're gonna do. Okay?